Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to configure Cisco Wireless Router. So let's get started. So first of all, let me select the wireless router, which is WRT300 and view the PC and laptop. Alright, the IP address which is 192.168.1.1 for the wireless router. Okay, and the PC which is 1.2 and 1.3 and 1.4 and 1.5. That's it. So now let me open the router and click on the GUI. By default, the wireless router IP address is 192.168.0.1. This is our series, which is 192.168.1.1. I'm gonna select the 0 and change to 0 to 1. Okay, the DHCP server I'm going to disable because we are not using the DHCP server. Click on the disable and just scroll down the page. You can see save settings. Save. That's it. And click on the wireless, and by default the network name is default. I'm gonna select and type tech glob webcast, and when you come down you can see standard channel. There are list of gigahertz. I'm not going to change anything. Okay, then scroll down again, save the settings and click on the wireless password. So the security mode, you can see list of options. I'm going to select the WPA personal. Okay, so here you need to enter the passphrase. I'm gonna enter here 789.456.1230. Okay, then scroll down and save settings. Okay, that's it. Let me close this router page, and these are the devices I'm going to connect the wireless password. Okay, so by default this the desktop PC. There is no wireless adapter. I'm gonna turn off the PC and remove this fast Ethernet port. Okay, click on the WMP300 and just add this port and turn on the PC. Okay, that's it. And once you have turned on the PC, click on the desktop and go to the IP configurations, select the static, and this is the IP I'm gonna enter 192.168.1.2, and the default subnet mask is I'm not going to change. Default gateway 192.168.1.1. The IP address is which is the wireless router IP. Okay, then close this and come to the PC wireless, and now you can see link information, no association with access point. Okay, so click on the connect option. Now you can see the wireless name automatically visible in the wireless network name. Okay, then click on which we have create the name, the tech glob webcast, and connect. So here I'm gonna enter the password which I assigned the router, 789.456.1230. Then click on connect. Now as you can see, the PC wireless communication is started. Alright, then when you come to link informations, you can see you have successfully connected to the access point. Okay, let me close this, check the IP address. Okay, anyway, I need to assign the static again. 192.168.1.2 is IP, and the default gateway 192.168.1.1. That's it. And let me connect with the other device. Okay, turn off the PC and remove this port and add the wireless. Okay, then turn on and come to the desktop, select the PC wireless and connect. The name is going to be visible here. Connect and enter the password. Alright, then that's it. The IP 192.168.1.3, 192.168.1.1. Okay. So the laptop also, let me turn off power, then remove this port. Let me add the wireless and turn on, and click on the wireless setup. 789.456.1230 and connect. And turn on PC. Okay, that's it. Alright, that's it. We have connected all the devices to the wireless router. Okay, so let me ping with each and every devices. Let me click on the PC, and from 1 to 13 I'm going to ping. Okay, open the command prompt and enter ping 192.168.1.3 and hit enter. And as you can see, we have successfully configured the wireless router. Also send the packets from 1 to 5, that also is success. From 5 to 4 is failed. Let me check again. It's failed. Something got wrong. Okay, the IP is not set. One 192.168.1.1. That's it. So if I send from here, yeah, successfully. And dear all viewers, if you like this video, please do comment on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.